Alright, welcome back.
Welcome.
It's another
Yay.
episode. Castle Crashers. We've got 2 paths to go on. Oh, apparently I have a new item in my inventory. It's probably a trading card.
No, yeah, probably.
Can we go into the dark forest to the north, or head off to what appears to be a lake with a moose in it?
Let's go to the sea.
A winged moose. I want to see the winged moose. What's going on here?
Okay.
Oh, we got one of the relics.
Yeah, I found one of them.
What the fuck are you talking about? I picked it up.
No, I picked up the compass.
No, I did.
It doesn't matter.
I walked right up to it.
Anyways.
Apparently we can't go that way.
Forest. I totally forgot about that. Made sense. We gotta go on a ship. We need a wheel. Money. My money.
Ow, what the fuck is that?
It's a dinosaur.
Is that an alligator? Oh my god, it's just like fucking Golden Axe. Oh, hell yeah.
These bastards keep on hitting me. Fuck.
I'm gonna eat ya.
Okay, there's a dude over here, but you won't let me hit him.
Apparently, he's not coming on screen is the problem.
Yeah.
Man, give me back the fucking dinosaur. No!
Yay.
But I took the money.
Oh. No, there's money.
Oh no, my waifu.
Your waifu is gone.
Why is the music so upbeat here? What the hell is going on? Do you hear that?
What?
The music, it's so upbeat.
I turned off my music so I could hear you.
This is really joyful.
Yeah, it is. Might have to turn it on just for that.
It's like we're fucking fighting barbarians. Nice.
Yay, leveled up. I can sprint now.
Ow, fuck. A bunch of assholes. Come back.
You can pretty much like infinitely juggle them. It's great. I have a dinosaur and that's okay. That's the second time I've used that joke.
It is?
Well, that song.
What was the other time?
I'm a lumberjack and that's okay.
Oh, that's what
Literally
you were
that
going
song
for.
is. Yeah.
Now I remember.
Oh god, the lag spikes. They hurt my eyes. Yay, money. I eat you. Ow. No, my dinosaur.
No. I want to have the dino.
You only get one.
My name is Rex. I get the dinosaur.
That makes it even funnier.
Huh?
That I have it and you don't.
Fuck you. I wish I could knock you off of it. What's this? There's something musical back here. What is this?
It's a bird.
Oh my god.
You got an animal friend.
Oh my god. Oh, that's
gives you
adorable.
I need one too.
Too bad.
You suck.
You have the fucking dinosaur.
I'm not going to now.
Whoa, music's all changed considerably.
Yeah. This one's pretty fucking hilarious. I need to at least put a little bit of music on because it's driving me nuts being silent.
The music is hilarious? What the fuck are you talking about? It's like a weird
No, this
techno
section is hilarious.
techno song. It's like a Sonic the Hedgehog track.
No, just wait.
Oh.
Poop jokes.
Oh, okay.
All
Something
the
big
poop
is coming,
jokes.
I guess.
Yep. All the poop
Well,
jokes.
the owl's dad is dead.
Poop jokes.
Good job.
They're great.
Yep. Top level quality. 10 out of 10. With comedy again. I got a new combo. X, Y. Oh, cool.
Ooh. Weapon.
The guy just fucking... Did he just pick up the money? No. Ow, fuck. So, do I just have an animal friend forever now, or...
What?
Is the animal friend just with me forever now?
Yeah, with the music now I can't hear you.
Oh my god. Why?
Hold on. I have to turn it off again.
Here's what you do. You fucking...
But I can't right this second because these guys are dicks. Alright. Oh god, why? There. Turn off the music. Because things are assholes. More poop jokes.
Okay.
Yay, I have a
you
friend.
also have a friend. All the friends. As long as they don't poop, I'm fine.
I has fire. Ow.
Yeah, I keep forgetting that I have magic.
Depends on the character you're on, it's a lot more useful with some. Like the pink character.
That one's a downloadable character, though.
Yep.
On this one, it's
That one
pretty
has,
useful.
Yeah.
I just
it
haven't
is.
been using him a lot. What the hell are these things supposed to be?
They are... I don't know.
Black people?
Did you really just say that?
I mean, they are
that
literally
one's not that
black.
I do not condone whatever this man says. I'm sorry.
All I said was that they are actually pitch black.
Yeah.
Oh shit. What?
No.
Okay. Well then,
Bear pooped his pants.
that's scary.
Nah.
Money. Don't miss out.
Money.
No!
My money.
No!
Get him.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Get him.
You can't.
You failed.
You ran away.
Ow.
That's pretty great
What
that
do you
he's
do
just there washing laundry.
Oh yeah, the tongue-in-cheek humor of this game is just
So it's very
Spot on.
realistic. This is like a Game of Thrones level of realism right here.
oh yeah, totally.
I wonder when our characters are gonna
running.
die. They're running.
Health.
Okay.
Yay.
You're very low on health right now.
Yeah. It's got some though. Because he steals all of it for you.
Wait, is this what they were scared of?
Yeah, that's totally what they were running from.
It's not stomping. Also, he's crying. What the fuck?
He's sad. I leveled up. love how overpowered that the jump attacks are in this game.
I'm on fire!
Ricky Bobby! Help me, Tom Cruise!
Help me, Jewish God!
Help me, Buddha! I forgot what the lizard does for me, but he doesn't seem
Weird twig people.
no, because you can get a variety of different pets and they all do different things for you.
Right. I got him.
Can't tell where I am. I'm on fire. I didn't think I could go on fire.
Why are
Alright.
they... Oh. Oh, it's coming from behind us. Okay.
Yeah, it's been behind us the whole entire game. And who's gonna get the pooping one?
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Oh, no one got the pooping one. Remember, you'll have to jump at points.
Oh, shit. Okay. Okay.
Battletoads
Yeah, this
level,
is totally Battletoads.
man. Oh god, why?
Oh, fuck. This is hard.
And jump.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh,
Okay.
jump.
Wish there was a little more,
Ow.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah, they don't give you shit.
Yeah, there's like no warning time whatsoever on anything. Oh, I mean, you can see where the light's going to be, kinda.
Yeah,
But,
That's all they give you.
That's about it. You don't know when the fucking logs are coming.
okay, the first time I ever played this, I lost.
I refuse to lose. That rhymes.
Well, and all my friends had played this before, but I had never played it. So, they were just laughing at me the whole entire time, and I was so pissed.
Ah!
Ow. Oh god.
Jesus. Oh god, this is so... How long does this go?
It's such a long... It's really long. I believe we're getting... Yeah, we're close. Jump.
Yeah, I didn't even have to jump, it just sort of did it.
And...
He's still pooping.
collect as much health as you can.
We gotta get the princess. Oh, that's shark! It's
Yeah,
fucking
jump on,
river shark?
jump on a wheel.
I can't, I missed. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is bad. I don't like river sharks. Dinosaur!
You drop on... Yep, my crocodile too.
Fuck, that hurts.
Ow. No! Come back. Baby, come back.
Noah's the only person in our group that you can't fit into that structure.
Noah's the only person what?
That you can't say that you can't blame it on. You can blame it all on Rex, Jeff, Kim,
Brandon too.
Brandon, I guess.
Well, his name doesn't
Not really
work either.
Work directly with Brandon very often, though.
Ow. No. Yay. No, you bastard.
Fucking die already, Jesus. Quick, get on the weird saddle thing.
They're dude, they're dead people. That's what they are.
Oh yeah, they are. They're
Yeah.
totally the barbarians, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's a shark.
Oh,
I can actually ride one.
ow.
There's a log here, and now it's gone.
Yay.
This part is actually more difficult than the previous part.
Ow.
No, you can't catch up to the stupid fucking things.
Yeah.
It's so easy to get knocked off.
Ow.
Did I
Oh, yeah.
die? I died.
Yeah, you died.
Ah, fuck. How do I come back on this?
You will once this session is done. Ow. If I don't die first.
Yeah,
Which
that's
is-
looking pretty
at
likely
this
to
point,
be
I-
honest. Don't die, Jeff. You got this. Come on, beat the shit out of him.
Oh god.
It looks like you got him. It's like they don't really start attacking until you hit them. So okay.
Yay. Fruit.
Okay,
Fruit.
I love playing this game. Yay. Oh hey, it's the king.
Yep.
And what the fuck? What the fuck is this game, Jeff?
This game is awesome, that's what it is. And you were dead.
I am dead. I can't seem to come back. That's a
I
hairball.
guess not. But I guess not.
He's got a lot of health too.
Yeah, it's gonna take me a while.
Jeff, this doesn't make any goddamn sense. No cat would ever swim in a river. That's what I see wrong with this picture.
That's the only thing you see wrong with this
that's
picture?
the only thing wrong with this picture.
Okay. That makes total sense.
Cat plus water equals bad. I don't know how many times I've tried to give my cats a bath, and they end up scratching me a lot.
Yeah.
They don't like it. It's one reason dogs are better. It's one thing dogs are better about.
There's lots of things
You
dogs
can
are
just
better about.
sort of wash a dog and they won't give a shit. Dogs will go jump into a lake.
Oh, that's shitty.
Did you just die?
I just died.
Fuck. That was like the end of the level, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was the
Oh
end of the
god
level.
damn it.
But hey, you can put two. You should put it in health.
So, which one's... There's no health. There's
Defense, health, and
defense,
defense. There you go. If you look at the bottom, it says health and defense.
Oh yeah, let's get one more point of agility.
I have 6 points.
Yeah, you leveled up a lot.
Alright. This is the nice thing. We don't have to start all the way from the very beginning.
Yeah,
we start
thank
at the
God,
last
because
point.
I don't
Yeah.
want to get chased again.
Yeah.
But
So,
we just had to do this bullshit again.
no.
Oh.
No, Sharky.
Oh, it's just straight to the
Yay.
boss. Okay, sweet.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Well, you didn't say it was to the boss. You just said that we didn't have to do the whole thing.
I said it starts with the catfish. No.
Oh, it is a catfish.
Yeah.
I just thought it was a
Don't get
giant
hit by that
mutated
guy.
cat.
No, it's a catfish.
Now it makes
And
more
there's a-
sense. Now my complaint about cats in water is no longer
Yeah.
valid.
And there's a
In fact,
cat,
really, it was just
or there's a
never
panda
valid
riding
in the
him.
first place. What?
There's a panda riding him.
Yeah, I did notice that. He's got a bloody paw print on his head.
Yeah, that's their tribe.
The blood paws?
I don't know.
This guy's hard to hit.
Yeah, he is. The best thing to do is... That was close. To jump. And smack.
Ow! I
Oh,
lost my... Beat the shit out of it! Aww.
there's the board. Don't take one. Oh, you bastard.
Ah, he keeps punching us! What do we do?
There's the board. Get it.
Ow!
Don't get hit by it. It hurts.
I can't get to the board.
Because you suck.
So if we can lure him into getting
Hit
hit
the
by
fur ball,
the
hit the
cannon...
fur ball.
Oh.
Damn it.
So yeah, we just want to get him hit by the cannonball then.
Get the alligator.
I can't! It's so slow!
You are bad because you are bad.
Don't make fun of me.
Ow.
Fuck.
Whee!
Okay, here comes a log.
Don't get hit by him. Ow. Shut up, Rex.
I won't.
I am a warrior. Ow. No.
Ah,
Stupid boat. Dog.
get on the
Log.
log!
Yay. I leveled up.
Congratulations! Don't die! What's he
No.
doing? What's he doing? What is this?
Ow.
Fuck it! Oh god!
Don't get hit by him. Hit it. Good job. Kill him with fire.
There we go.
Ow. Oh, why you keep no?
Now get away from
Fuck
him.
you. I can't. Ow.
Okay, get on it! Whoa.
Kill it. Get the fish.
Oh, he missed!
Yay! I'm riding Magikarp.
Oh my god, you are. Did I get knocked off?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Ow. No, that's mine.
Ah.
Get the shark.
No!
Here. I was trying to save it for
I'm
you.
so slow.
Get the fish. Yay. Now you're riding Magikarp.
Soon I'll be a glorious Gyarados. And then who will be laughing? Probably you, because I turned into a Pokemon.
Pokemon. I'm depressed because I caught them all.
It's really hard to catch them all these days. So fucking
Yeah.
many of them.
You haven't played Sun and Moon, have you?
I still haven't finished the game, but I'm pretty far. Like I've done,
Oh, you
I've
haven't?
done all of the island trials, but I'm like in the
beat it.
third act of the game or something. Before
No.
you go to the Pokemon
My
League.
shark. He stole my shark. Another shark.
Yeah, I think I was at the point where you're trying to find the legendary Pokemon. In my case, Lunala.
Yeah, because you had Moon, right?
Moon.
Yay, he's dead.
Hilariously, my brother also bought Moon because he thought I didn't own one of the games yet. Oh, you got so much experience.
Yay! Because I fought so much
Hey,
longer
we don't get
without
money
you.
for that?
No.
It's lame.
Alright, good time to end this episode.
Yay! Okay.
Less dying and redoing it, because we suck.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back with more at some point. I don't know how our release schedule is gonna go. This is gonna fuck everything up.
Yeah, Noah.
But we'll figure something out. Yeah. Video games.
See you guys next time.
Video games.
Video games.
Video games.
Bye.
Bye.